All right, today we're going to learn about ecosystems, which is going to start our unit on organisms and environments. So you probably don't know what an ecosystem is, and that's okay. That's exactly what this lesson is for. On this page, you can see different pictures of different types of ecosystems that exist on this planet. All right. Up here we have a glacier ecosystem which supports life like penguins and seals who can live in a really cold climate. We have deserts which are really hot and really dry, which means there's probably not too much life there, but some things like cactuses and camels can live there. We have underwater, saltwater ecosystems like this one, which are bursting with different kinds of colorful fish and coral. Down here we have rainforest, which is full of plants, and maybe what you can't see because it's so lush is all of the animals and insects that are living inside of those plants. And then here is a picture of the plains in Africa, which is typically very dry, right, and flat. Now, during this lesson and throughout our unit on organisms and environments, this is our essential question, right? So we're going to be thinking about this throughout the entire unit, all right? That question is, how do living things rely on each other and non-living things in an ecosystem? I'm going to repeat that so that it can really sink in. How do living things rely on each other and non-living things in an ecosystem, all right? By the end of the lesson today, you should be able to define ecosystem, to identify living and non-living things in an ecosystem, to list the characteristics of different ecosystems, to identify whether or not an organism's needs are met in a given ecosystem, and explain how humans can impact the ecosystems of the world. All right. First,